Hi guys, I am ilapotphode and welcome back to my channel. I want to tell you guys that I will post a new video every Sundays and Wednesdays between 5 to 6 in the evening. So stay tuned, and in order to create this beautiful look here, just keep on watching. Guys, as you can see, I have done my base makeup and I applied some lip balm which is from YD Herbals to moisturize my lips. So now let's move on to the eyeshadow, and for eyeshadow I'll use the Swiss Beauty Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette, and I'll take this beautiful purple shade and apply it with a wet brush. I just print some toner onto the brush and I'll use that and dip it into the purple, and I'll just apply it on my lids because I first like to apply the dark color and then I'll use the lighter color to blend it with the dark color so that my eye look looks perfectly blended and it gives a seamless look to the eye. Now with the same eyeshadow palette, I'll use this pretty pink color and I'll use this as a transition shade on my crease and blend it with a light hand. Now I'll take this pretty coral and bright yellow shade and mix up the two shades and apply it right above the crease. I'll use a light hand to blend it all out. I'll blend it with the pink color, and I want to tell you guys that this eyeshadow palette which is from Swiss Beauty, it's really affordable and it's multi-purpose. You could also use it for blush, and it has great shimmery shades. The shimmers are perfect. You could create multiple looks with this. They also have other variants in this. They also have a brown palette wherein you have all the dark brown shades which you could use on an everyday basis. Now I'll use this beautiful blue shimmer, and with a wet brush I'll use it on my lower lash line. Now I'll use this L18 eyeliner to create a winged eyeliner. I'll not create a big wing, I'll create a small wing to keep this look simple. Now on the back of my hand I took some aloe vera gel, and with the help of spoolie I'll just brush out my eyelashes before applying a mascara so that I get a finished look. I don't want those crumbly eyelashes. So yeah, for mascara I'll use the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. I'm using this ever since I was in 11th, so I just love this mascara, and this is a nice hack which you could use on a daily basis, and which helps the mascara be long last. And this is the waterproof one. Now to bring back warmth to my face, I'll use a bronzer, but this is an eyeshadow which is 2 shades darker to my skin tone. and I like to use this bronzer below my cheekbones on the arc of my eyebrow to contour my nose and on my jawline. Now for blush, I'll use the Miss Claire's soft matte lip cream, and I'll use it on the apples of my cheeks. First I'll apply it with the spoolie it has, and then I'll blend it with my fingers. Now for lips, I'll use the Swiss Beauty lip liner in Cocoa Nude, and I'll use this to line my lips, and I'll also fill in my lips and then move on to lipstick. Now for lipstick, I'll use the Insight Matte lipstick. It's in the shade Coffee Nude, and I love nude lipsticks because it's good for everyday use and also for special occasions, and it goes with every outfit you wear. So yeah. And now to set everything in place, I'll use the Good Vibes Honey Glow Toner. I'll just spritz it on my face, and then with the help of a beauty blender, I'll damp a beauty blender all over my face and just tap out the excess. And for highlighter, I'll use this eyeshadow palette which is from Oddbo Cosmetics, and I'll use this highlighter all on my higher points of my face, like my brow bone, my nose, my cupid's bow. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it, and do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. Bye guys.